Hunting doesn't have to get harder as you get older. In fact, there are calibers that make the experience smoother, easier, and just as rewarding. For senior hunters, the key is finding cartridges with light recoil, manageable handling, and accuracy you can count on. In this video, we'll look at 5 calibers that many hunters say are perfect for staying in the field longer, without the punishing kick. We're not here to teach how to use them, but to compare their strengths and explain why they've become top choices for older hunters. Number 5. 260 Remington. The 260 Remington is a versatile hunting round, known for its accuracy and manageable recoil, making it a great choice for aging hunters who want to stay in the field without shoulder strain. Introduced in 1997, this cartridge is based on the .308 Winchester case, necked down to a 264-inch bullet, offering excellent ballistics for medium-sized game like deer or antelope. It shines at ranges up to 400 yards, delivering flat trajectories and consistent performance in a variety of rifles, including bolt actions commonly used at shooting ranges or during legal hunts. The 260 Remington is often praised for its balance of power and gentleness, ideal for hunters who may struggle with heavier kicking rounds. Its lighter recoil compared to larger calibers like the .30-06 Springfield means less fatigue, allowing older hunters to focus on precision and enjoy their time outdoors. The round's versatility also makes it suitable for both open fields and wooded areas, where ethical shot placement is key. However, it's not perfect. Ammunition can be harder to find than more popular rounds like the .308, especially in rural areas, which might limit options during hunting season. Additionally, while effective for medium game, it may lack the stopping power needed for larger animals like elk at longer ranges, requiring careful shot selection. For aging hunters practicing at a range or hunting responsibly, the .260 Remington offers a solid mix of accuracy and comfort, but availability and game size limitations are worth considering. Always ensure safe handling and follow local hunting regulations when using this round. Pros: low recoil, high accuracy, great for medium game, flat trajectory, versatile for different terrains. Cons: limited ammo availability, less effective for larger game, may require specific rifles. Number 4. 7mm by .08 Remington. The 7mm by .08 Remington is a favorite among hunters looking for a round that balances accuracy, low recoil, and enough power for ethical hunting, making it ideal for aging hunters who prioritize comfort. Developed in 1980 by necking down the .308 Winchester to a 7mm bullet, this cartridge delivers excellent ballistics for deer, antelope, and even smaller elk at ranges up to 500 yards. Its moderate recoil is gentle on the shoulder, allowing older hunters to shoot comfortably during practice at a range or in the field during legal hunts. The 7mm weight is widely used in bolt-action rifles, which are common in safe, controlled environments like shooting ranges, and its versatility suits various hunting scenarios, from open plains to dense forests. It offers a flat trajectory and good energy retention, ensuring precise and humane shots when used responsibly. However, the 7mm by .08 has some drawbacks. Ammunition can be pricier than more common rounds like the .243 Winchester, which may add up for frequent range sessions. It's also less effective for very large game like moose, where heavier calibers might be preferred, so hunters need to match their quarry carefully. Additionally, while recoil is low for its class, it's slightly higher than smaller rounds like the .243, which could matter for those with significant shoulder sensitivity. For aging hunters focused on safe, accurate shooting, the 7mm by .08 Remington is a reliable choice, but cost and game limitations are factors to weigh. Always practice safe firearm handling and adhere to local laws when hunting or shooting. Pros: low recoil, excellent accuracy, good for medium game, versatile, flat trajectory. Cons: higher ammo cost, less effective for large game, slightly more recoil than smaller rounds. Number 3. 257 Roberts. The .257 Roberts is a classic hunting round, perfect for aging hunters seeking a low recoil option with solid accuracy for medium-sized game. Introduced in the 1930s, this cartridge, based on the 7mm Mauser case, fires a .257-inch bullet and is known for its gentle kick and reliable performance on deer, antelope, and smaller game at ranges up to 400 yards. It's a great fit for bolt-action rifles used in controlled settings like shooting ranges or during legal hunts, offering a smooth shooting experience that won't tire out older shoulders. The .257 Roberts delivers a flat trajectory and decent energy for ethical kills, making it ideal for hunters who value precision and comfort in the field. Its lighter recoil compared to rounds like the 270 Winchester allows for extended practice sessions without discomfort, which is key for maintaining accuracy. However, the .257 Roberts isn't as widely available as more modern rounds like the 6.5 Creedmoor, which can make finding ammo a challenge, especially in smaller stores. It also lacks the power for larger game like elk or bear, limiting its versatility for hunters targeting bigger quarry. Some rifles may require custom chambering, as it's less common in newer models, potentially adding cost. For aging hunters practicing safe handling at a range or hunting responsibly, the .257 Roberts is a time-tested choice that blends tradition with performance, but ammo scarcity and game size constraints are notable drawbacks. Always follow safety protocols and local regulations when using this round in hunting or range settings. Pros: very low recoil, good accuracy, effective for medium game, flat trajectory, classic design. Cons: limited ammo availability, not ideal for large game, may need specific rifles. Number 2. 6.5 Creedmoor. The 6.5 Creedmoor has become a go-to round for aging hunters who want pinpoint accuracy and minimal recoil for a comfortable hunting experience. Introduced in 2007, this cartridge uses a .200 4-inch bullet and is designed for long-range precision, making it ideal for deer, antelope, and even smaller elk at ranges up to 600 yards. Its low recoil is a major plus for older hunters, allowing for extended shooting at ranges or in the field without shoulder fatigue. The 6.5 Creedmoor is popular in bolt-action rifles used in safe, controlled environments like shooting ranges, and its ballistic efficiency ensures flat trajectories and excellent energy retention for ethical shots during legal hunts. It's widely praised for its versatility, performing well in various terrains, from open fields to mountainous regions. However, the 6.5 Creedmoor has some downsides. Ammunition can be expensive compared to older rounds like the .243 Winchester, which may strain budgets for frequent shooters. While it's great for medium game, it's less suited for very large animals like moose, requiring careful game selection. Its popularity also means ammo can sometimes be in short supply during peak hunting seasons. For aging hunters focused on safe, accurate shooting, the 6.5 Creedmoor offers a modern, high-performance option, but cost and game limitations are worth considering. Always prioritize safe firearm handling and follow local hunting laws to ensure a responsible experience. Pros: low recoil, exceptional accuracy, great for long range, versatile, good for medium game. Cons: higher ammo cost, not ideal for large game, occasional ammo shortages. Number 1. .243 Winchester. The .243 Winchester tops our list as an outstanding hunting round for aging hunters, offering superb accuracy and ultra-low recoil for a pain-free shooting experience. Introduced in 1955, this cartridge fires a .243-inch bullet and is a favorite for deer, antelope, and varmints at ranges up to 400 yards. Its minimal kick makes it perfect for older hunters who want to avoid shoulder strain while practicing at a shooting range or hunting in legal, controlled environments. The .243 Winchester's flat trajectory and reliable energy delivery ensure precise, ethical shots, making it a go-to for hunters prioritizing humane kills. It's widely available in bolt-action and some semi-auto rifles, and its popularity means ammo is easy to find in most stores, keeping costs reasonable. The round performs well in various hunting scenarios, from open fields to brushy areas. However, it has limitations. The .243 Winchester lacks the power for larger game like elk or moose, so hunters must choose their targets carefully. Its lighter bullets can also be affected by strong winds at longer ranges, requiring skilled shot placement. For aging hunters committed to safe handling and responsible hunting, the .243 Winchester is a top-tier choice for its ease of use and effectiveness, though it's not suited for bigger game or extreme conditions. Always follow safety guidelines and local regulations when using this round at a range or in the field. Pros: very low recoil, high accuracy, widely available ammo, affordable, great for medium game. Cons: not suitable for large game, wind sensitive at long ranges, requires precise shot placement. And that wraps up our look at 5 calibers that give senior hunters the perfect balance of comfort and accuracy. Hunting should always be enjoyable, and these rounds prove you don't need heavy recoil to stay effective in the field. Do you agree with our picks, or is there another caliber you'd recommend for older hunters? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.